Hello again, everybody. I'm Michael DeRosa with Brown Harris Stevens, and welcome to this wonderful Upper East Side one-bedroom apartment. One of the nicest features about this apartment is the open eastern views to the mid-block. It's very quiet and completely unobstructed, flooded with sunlight all morning long. The renovated kitchen boasts custom wood cabinetry, granite countertops, and high-end stainless steel appliances. In addition, there's a separate dining foyer, which could also be used as a home office. There are beautiful hardwood floors throughout and generous closet space. 400 East 85th Street is a full-service post-war co-op with many amenities, including a full-time doorman, live-in super, a gym, a bike room, storage bins when available, a central laundry room, and a garage. The building is pet-friendly, and pied-à-terres, guarantors, and co-purchasing is permitted. Steps to Carl Schurz Park and convenient to all transportation, including the 2nd Avenue subway, as well as the Lexington Avenue subway. Shopping is abundant, including the nearby Whole Foods. Thanks again for visiting us here at 400 East 85th Street. For more information, go to my website, and for all your New York City real estate needs, please reach out.